In this video, we're going to review the pagination components inside the Forms and Tables UI system. So we have some examples here, and then we have the individual pagination components, the building blocks to build our pagination, and then we have some basic pagination. So this is helpful as a component if you're just trying to wireframe something out or create a quick prototype and you need something quickly. We have large all the way to small. However, like I've said many times before, I really like to work from the most elemental components and build something truly custom for our user interface. Let's drag on the pagination control. So this, we can have back and next, and we can have text, or we could just have the icon. And of course, they're in the varying sizes, and then there's different states. And then this is the type, so next in this case. So this looks good, but let's say we just want the icons. The next component is the pagination page item here. So let's drag that out and we can type in the page. Let's do 1 through 10. So I'll just duplicate this out. Okay, so this one, so this one's 2. Okay, so now we have 1 through 10. If this list is really long, let's say this is not 10, but it's 120, we can have it so this is actually more. And then we get this ellipses icon to denote that there's many more until you get to the last page. All right, we have that. Let's drag on the pagination results per page. So this, in the case of a table, this would show 50 rows, or if it's a list, it could be 50 list items. And then we can have the results. So we can drag this on, and this would occur if the user clicks onto 50, and then they could make their choice of how many they'd want to show. Okay, so now let's build this pagination out. So I'm going to select everything, and now I'm going to just wrap these in a auto layout, so Shift A. And then the space in between them, let's just do 2 for now. And let's say it's on the 3rd. So I'm going to make this active. We can add this to our frame, or rather wrap it in another frame. And we can do space in between. So now this would be on the far right side of the page. So let's go to our assets and drag in a table. So we have our pagination. Let's add another copy and paste. And so this one, it's going to be the first. And then we'll do the same here, copy and paste. And this is going to be last. So if the user wants to quickly go to 1 or quickly go to 120, they can do that with these navigational elements. And so now I'm just going to combine these. So I'm going to do auto layout around it, and then I'm going to make sure both are filling the container. And let's just clean this up a little bit. Let's do 12. Here are some of the other examples, just a straightforward back and next, simple pagination. We have one where you can jump to a page by typing the number in and clicking go. And then these are more stripped down. So of course you can customize things. So we can get rid of the border and we could really do whatever we wish. Let's give it a drop shadow so you can really make it your own. So that is pagination. In our next video, we are going to look at data displays.